Hello, in this short tutorial we'll have a look at the repeat function in Excel. The repeat function deals with text rather than calculations, but there may be examples in your own spreadsheets where you'll find a use for it, and we'll look at some possible uses for it here. I'll just start by typing out an example of the repeat function and you'll see how it works. Like any function or formula in Excel, we start by typing the equals key. So I'll type the equals key, and to do the repeat function we type in REPT, and then we do an open bracket or open parentheses, and it contains two arguments or two sections. The first thing is what you want to repeat, and what I'm going to do is type in a number here, so I'll just type in the number 5 for example, and then you do a comma to separate it from the other part of the formula, which is to tell Excel how many times you want that to repeat. And I'm going to ask that to repeat 5 times. And then we close the bracket, and I'll just press the enter key. And what happens is Excel puts in 55555. So I've repeated the number 5 times. Now obviously I could use another repeat argument to refer to that cell. And I'll just show an example of that. So if I start another one, I'll just do another formula with repeat, so equal REPT, short for repeat, open bracket, and this time I'm going to use a piece of text, and so I'm going to do a quotation, or put quotation marks around the text to tell Excel it is text, and I'll type in the word spam. It'll attribute to Monty Python there. Comma again to tell Excel where the break is between what we want repeating and how many times to repeat it, and I will repeat spam 5 times. Close the bracket, press enter, and we get spam, 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 which Monty Python fans will be familiar with. Now I can refer to that formula by simply doing equals repeat, again open bracket, and this time what I'm going to do is actually click on the cell reference where the first repeat function is, which it is A4, but I'll simply click on it, and what that does, it pops it into the formula automatically for me, comma, and I'm going to repeat the first repeat function a further 4 times. There we go, close the bracket, press enter, and then we get a lot of spam. Okay, now it's up to you really how you decide you might want to use the repeat function, but that's basically how it works. I'll show you one possible example. What I've done here is just set up a little table of names and scores, an imaginary staff competition if you like, and what I'm going to do